Greetings to the viewers of this video. In the last video, we have seen the introduction to pharmaceutical calculations. In this video, we can look upon the reducing and enlarging calculations. In pharmacy, this type of calculation is very important. Reducing calculations are used to make a smaller amount than the original formula. Enlarging calculations are used to make a larger amount from the original formula. These are the basic difference between the reducing and enlarging calculations. This can be performed by using two simple and easy steps. The first step is used for finding whether we have to enlarge the formula or reduce the formula. Step 1 is to find the factor. By using the given information in the question, we have to determine the factor. The factor can be found by dividing the quantity of formula desired by quantity of formula given. Hope you understand this. If the factor found is greater than 1, then it is enlarging calculation. In addition, if the factor is less than 1, it is reducing calculation. Then step 2. Multiply the quantity of each ingredient in the formula by the factor, which we have found already. By multiplying the factor and the quantity of the ingredient, we can get the required quantity, which is specified in the question. Now, let us look onto a simple problem. If a formula for 170 ml of drug has 8 grams of a drug, then how many grams of drug are needed to prepare 50 ml of the solution? First, let us find the factor for this problem. Factor is equal to quantity of formula desired divided by quantity of formula given. Here, the formula desired is 50 ml and the given quantity is 170 ml. Dividing it, we get 0.294. The factor is less than 1, so it is obviously a reducing calculation. Now multiplying the ingredient quantity, which is 8 grams, by the factor 0.294, we get 2.352. Therefore, we need 2.35 grams of drug to prepare 50 ml of solution. The next example is as follows. The following is a formula for 240 ml of calamine lotion. Then calculate for 2 containers each having capacity of 445 ml. For 240 ml calamine, 80 grams zinc oxide, 80 grams glycerin, 20 ml bentonite, 250 ml and calcium hydroxide 1000 ml. Now we have to find how many grams of each ingredient will be sufficient to fill 2 containers each having capacity of 445 ml. So multiplying 445 by 2 we get 890. Therefore, we have to find the quantity of ingredients for 890 ml. First, let us find the factor. Dividing 890 by 240, we get the desired factor, which is 3.70. Therefore, by multiplying the amount of each ingredient we get 296 grams of calamine. Again 296 grams of zinc oxide. 74 ml of glycerin. 925 ml of bentonite and finally 3700 ml of calcium hydroxide. That's it. In addition to this, the question will be in this type also, What quantities should be used to prepare 300 g of paste from the following formula? Mineral oil, 6 parts. Nystatin powder 1 part. Hydrocortisone powder 2 parts. Zinc oxide ointment, 200 parts. First, we have to add up all the parts. Totally we will get 209 parts. Now we have to find the quantity in grams, so we will have to use this formula. X is equal to individual part divided by total parts multiplied by required amount of paste. So first for mineral oil we have 6 divided by 209 multiplied by 300, which is 8.61 grams. For nystatin powder we got 1.44 grams. Hydrocortisone powder we got 2.87 grams. And finally for zinc oxide, we got 287.08. So this is the formula for 300 grams. Finally we got the answer for the problem. Thanks for watching.